Hello Yarn Besties, I am the Crafty Crocheter. So before we begin this video, I would like to pay my respects to the family and friends of Dolly Parton. As everyone knows, that Dolly Parton has left this earth on yesterday. And when I saw the report, I was really saddened because I grew up listening to her. I watched a lot of her movies and she did a lot of good for this world. And now, before I even started this video, I looked on my Instagram and saw that Tim Curry had passed as well. So, you know what they say, it comes in threes. So, who's next? All right, so enough about the morbid stuff. Let's get on to why I am here today. So, welcome to another Whipping It on Wednesdays with the Crafty Crocheter. So, and this is where I showcase my current projects that I am working on and I show you the progress thereof. So, last week's video, I showed you the progress of my Cut Under Pressure blanket by Crystal from Bag O' Day Crochet. And this week's video, I'm going to show you my progress on the Gnome Wall Hanging that is featured in latest issue of Crochet World. And I'm going to show you my progress that I have done so far. So if you haven't already, pick up your latest edition of Crochet World and take a look at the pattern. And if you wish, follow along with me and then show to me what your progress is if you are taking on this project as well. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the progress that I have so far. I could have gotten a lot more done on this, but I was working on my mother-in-law's blanket because I wanted to get it done before we go back to New York next month. But I did get quite a few things done with that gnome project. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have now. So first I'll show you what I've done. So I worked on the nose, and this is what the nose looks like. And this is just a simple increase amigurumi type thing. So you're gonna sew this to the back, sew this to the plastic canvas, and then the hat brim is gonna go over the nose. So I did the nose first because it was the shortest and it took not much time at all. Then I'm gonna show you my progress on the hat so far. Now, I'm officially halfway done with the hat, and these are the decreased side. As you notice, this is like the straight edge side, and this is the decreased side. And if you see in the picture that it starts to curve right about here, which is where the decreases are beginning for the hat. So I did so far, I'm a little over halfway done with the hat. So I am on round 38 right now, and it's a total of 60. Let me look up again. 66 rounds for the hat. So I'm going to work on this a little bit more today, but this is the progress of the hat so far. And then also in the pattern, once you get done with this hat, then you go back down to this beginning row, this beginning foundation chain, and then you create a brim for two rounds. And then after I get the hat done, then I'm going to move on to the leaves, and there are a lot of leaves to do. So I think there's a total of 21 leaves, 7 of the red, 7 of the orange, and 7 of the yellow. So those should whip out pretty quickly. So hopefully by next week's video, I should have this project mostly done. So once I get everything done, then I'm gonna have to figure out how to assemble the plastic canvas because there's 10 sheets that have to be used because the pattern, they say, is about 30 inches this way and 20 some inches tall. So let me look at the specs again. I know I read it before, but I just want to make sure I'm correct on that. So it is 13 and 3/4 inches wide and 26 inches in height. This is what I have done so far. Here's the nose, which is going to go bunched up on the nose once I have the hat done. And then I got to get the leaves all done. And then once I have all the leaves done, then I'll assemble everything. And then hopefully by the next video for this, because next week's video is going to be for the Cut Under Pressure blanket. So by the time the video for this comes out, it should be done, hopefully. All right, so that is the status of the Gnome Wall Hanging Project. So I hope you enjoyed that video as much fun as I had making it. Now, again, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Leave comments. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and become a Yarn Bestie today. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you very much for watching. Happy crafting.